Heading: Control flow statements in Java. First point. Control flow statements are used to control the execution order of statements in a program. Second point. They help in decision-making, looping, and transferring control. Third point. They are classified into selection, iteration, and jump statements. Heading: Selection statements. Side heading: If statement. First point. It executes a block of code if the condition is true. Second point. Syntax: If open bracket condition close bracket, open bracket statements close bracket. Third point. Used for simple decision-making. Side heading: If-else statement. First point. It executes one block if condition is true, otherwise another block. Second point. Syntax: If open bracket condition close bracket, open bracket statements close bracket, else open bracket statements close bracket. Third point. Used for two-way decision-making. Side heading: Nested if-else. First point. An if statement inside another if or else block. Second point. Syntax: If open bracket condition close bracket, open bracket if open bracket condition close bracket open bracket statements close bracket close bracket. Third point. Used for complex decision-making. Side heading: Else if latter. First point. Used when multiple conditions are checked sequentially. Second point. Syntax: If open bracket condition 1 close bracket, open bracket close bracket, else if open bracket condition 2 close bracket, open bracket close bracket, else open bracket close bracket. Third point. Only one block executes among multiple conditions. Side heading: Switch statement. First point. It selects one block of code among many based on value. Second point. Syntax: Switch open bracket expression close bracket, open bracket case value 1 : statements break, default : statements close bracket. Third point. Used for multiple fixed choices. Side heading: Nested switch. First point. A switch statement inside another switch statement. Second point. Syntax: Switch open bracket x close bracket, open bracket case 1 : switch open bracket y close bracket open bracket case a : statements close bracket. Third point. Used for complex multi-level decision-making. Heading: Iteration statements. Side heading: While loop. First point. Executes the block repeatedly while condition is true. Second point. Syntax: While open bracket condition close bracket, open bracket statements close bracket. Third point. Entry-controlled loop. Side heading. Do-while loop. First point. Executes block at least once before checking condition. Second point. Syntax. Do open bracket statements close bracket while open bracket condition close bracket. Third point. Exit controlled loop. Side heading. For loop. First point. Used when number of iterations is known. Second point. Syntax. For open bracket initialization semicolon condition semicolon update close bracket open bracket statements close bracket. Third point. Compact loop structure. Heading. Jump statements. Side heading. Break statement. First point. Used to exit from loop or switch immediately. Second point. Syntax. Break semicolon. Third point. Terminates the nearest loop or switch. Side heading. Continue statement. First point. Skips current iteration and continues next iteration. Second point. Syntax. Continue semicolon. Third point. Used in loops only. Side heading. Return statement. First point. Used to return a value from a method. Second point. Syntax. Return value semicolon. Third point. Ends method execution. Side heading. Assert statement. First point. Used for debugging to test assumptions in code. Second point. Syntax. Assert condition semicolon. Third point. Throws error if condition is false when enabled.